Morning! Alright, so we are just getting ready, waiting for our breakfast. Heading to Bialla or Bialla. Going to Bialla. Adrian, how are you feeling today?
Yeah, good.
Anything you want to add to the start of the day? Or
Got a skeleton shot.
feeling good? Maddie?
Yeah, this is working.
Yeah, it's working.
Keen to see what's happening.
Charged it
today.
last night.
Yeah. It's on one bowl, I don't know what you're talking about.
It's on. Bloody hell, mate. Bloody screwed. 2.5 hours drive on the way to Bialla. It's been a pretty long drive. The road is bumpy. We are currently on Snake Road. It's called Snake Road because it's a snake road.
Same road.
So, second leg of the journey. Maddie behind me, Joe in front, Adroxide, Adrax, and Lodo in the front. We have just basically got off a 3.5 hour bus ride from Walindi Plantation, and we are in Bialla now. On the way, well, if you keep on driving, you'll end up in East New Britain province. Is he gonna bite me? Garlic, capsicum bergoncang. Oh no, capsicum finish.
Capsicum finish.
Pwedeng lilik garlic, tapi yan magtapos yung goncang di sabon.
Sapolosele.
Sapolosele mo nem.
Naraplakan mantruya.
Ah,
Me sapolosele, me latalo isa.
toples bol na kanay.
Na.
Hey man, powerful na eh. Taro stems in there, and then she's just added spring onions, ginger, tomatoes. Yum! Okay, let's check it out. Emhota. Yum! It's really good. Nice thread them.